Okay. Fold the paper. Okay. Next. Here. Okay. Fold it properly. Okay. Press it properly. Next. Here, para hindi ka mahirapan.
But what's next? You're down.
Keep on folding. One more.
Done. What's next? Done. Fold this. That's next.
Sa may line, follow the line. Follow the line.
Done.
Hirap. So hard.
Yes, Mommy, nagpo-fold. Fold, fold.
I will do the folding.
Then, Mommy, what's next?
Put ka ng design.
Hindi pa ako, Mommy, tapos
Right in here. Use my folded paper. Okay, get one per one.
I'll choose this. This side.
Come closer. Put it there. Put it there. Put the center. Okay. Another one.
Video baba. I'll choose this again.
Okay.
Silver. I'll get silver. Done.
No, the purple, not the silver.
Okay.
Wait lang. We will add more blue. Where's your dami? It's okay. Here na. Put and purple. Don't touch it too much. this one. Press it. One press and it's done. Don't touch it too much or touch it too much. Baliktad. Baliktad.
Sticky again.
Here.
So stick.
Don't touch it too much. Here. Done. Other side. Bakit na? Don't touch it too much. Next.
Don't touch it too much.
Done. Press it properly.
Oh, it's a stick.
So sticky ba?
Yes.
Wait, I will put blue first. Okay.
But parang slime. Slime. Done.
Okay. What is the purple? Dito.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Done.
What's this?
Okay. Dito. Last one.
2.
Okay. Too much blue.
Too much.
Really? Oh, what was the center? Fold.
Ano gawin ko sa tali?
Later. Wait lang. Look. Oh,
Ako happy face.
ano ba yan? I-place tinawag ko si ito.
I did the wrong way.
Play with it.
Okay.
Then let's vote in. Let's vote in. Let's vote in.
Voting ka, mama? It's voting me.
Vote in.
Nag-voting siya, mami.
Here na. Palian ko na. Here, ako mo.
Ako sa tali.
Hindi ko. Hindi ko. Hindi yan. Ito pa. Later na yan. Dito. No, here. Wait
And the
lang.
2,
3.
3.
Here. Dito. Saka. Here. Oh, nahigit mo sa kabila. You're holding it in the wrong way. Here. Here pa. Okay. Hindi ganaw.
Ako din sa may...
Agad? Sakit na agad?
Dapat watermelon. Rainbow. like a ribbon.
Why? Excuse me.
Okay.
Hold it properly. Later. One more. And I will cut it now.
Cut mo na ng body ko.
Bakit ang body? Oh. And let's walk in. Wait down. Let's walk in. Let's find legacy.
Oh my God, you cut my hair.
We're na out.
Oh my God.
Okay na natin na. Oh my. Where is the
Double-sided.
double-sided tape? Yeah. Here.
How about this?
Later.
Dito ko lang maghawakan kasi. Wow. That's my arrow.
Which one?
This part. It's like a bandage.
Oh.
On this. On this.
Lang po. Okay. And remove the, what's this?
Paper.
The upper part of the, oh, it's hard to,
Oh my God. I love teacher.
oh my God, what happened here?
Tanggal ko na po.
Okay. Here na, look.
I'm looking.
You're looking.
Hello. Wow. Stick on.
Stick on.
Ito ba ang stick ko ito? Ito may kasi stick. Stick ko to stick. Stick on.
Wow.
I'll try. Another one. Another one. Isa wala ako. Hawat. Tignan siya po.
Another one, hold it.
Okay, wait.
Here.
I'm keeping. Okay.
Excuse me.
Ayos ko na po.
Which one? So hard.
Oh my God. So hard magawa ng assignment. Puputo ni teacher yan. Yan so hard. Puputo ni teacher hard.
Here na.
Kadali.
Naiyakan din.
I'm looking.
Looking, sabi ni teacher, you will help me. You will help me.
You have the
This is your
parents.
assignment, not mine.
Oh.
Here, oh, look. Hard naman.
What's it hard? Pa, dahan ka po parang. Kasi didikit sa classroom. Mami, yan na mami yung picture. Bukas
Tomorrow, yes. Tomorrow is class
picture.
picture taking. What iya?
Saan po magpipicture?
School.
Ano picture ba din?
Huh?
In dance namin.
Here, here.
Wow! Okay.
Dito lang, huwag dito.
Saan ko? Gusto ko hawak dito sa dalawa. Hawak. Ayan na naman.
I think my phone is locked.
Mine too. I have a photo. Sana swipe ko na photo. Baka ano ko sa Shopee. Balik. Come here. Okay. I'm here.
Here. Then the last one is the pink one. Here. How this one?
Okay.
Higit mo kaya. Ano? Wala ko na. Kasi parang mabilis. Sunod naman itong ano na to.
Simon.
Oh, the...
Last one. Tapos na.
Not yet. Not yet.
Madami pa po.
Yes.
Oh. So cute. Wow.
Wow! Amazing. Here.
It's like an earth. Diba po?
Ano ba yan? Dance ni Kuya? Kanta. What's the kanta? The song?
Top of the word. That top of the word. Repeat. Parang nandito siya. It's a lie.
Wow! Then we will put the... Ito ba? Tama na.
Stick.
Stick po.
Gusto ko po. Alagay ito.
Later na. Later.
Sa-try ko po. Sa-try ko muna.
Wow!
Ako po, try mo.
Ako, teacher.
Tell you. With an alkalosi.
Okay.
With the butterfly.
Saan dito? Here?
I think so. Yes, there. Sabi. Bye-bye. Okay. Hawak ko po. Lahat.
All this way. Dito. Dito ka hawak sa kabila. Dito ka humawak. O, saan ako magdidikit? Kung saan mo hahawakan. Ayan. Dito na lang. Here. Hawak mo din. Hawakan mo.
It's a lie.
Dan, anong kanta niya? Sing and dance yung dito.
Yeah. Stop right now.
Stop right now. Thank you very much. Ayan ba yan? Ganun ba yan?
Yes po.
Oh.
Tsaka lang din sabi teacher sa ay ibang boy na 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 na. And then namin madami po yun. Ibang boys, mommy, 3 boys.
3 boys.
3 boys, mommy. Nag-practice kami. Wow! So nice.
So nice.
Yes, because we need more stick. More.
One more stick.
And
okay.
done.
And we
Okay,
will put
try.
some dip. Oh my gosh. Can you put some design? Yung smile.
I will put some. I will choose.
Dito kasi ba yung video?
Okay. I will choose something. I like this, 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 green, this. And so many glitters. This one,
Ay, sorry.
that one's my favorite colors. Sa school tayo.
So hard naman. Remove tayo.
I view, view, view. I view. Views. And I'm done. I choose my colors.
Wait lang din. Kasi
Okay.
nasira yung dikit.
And
This one.
let's put a syrup. They're broken?
Ayan. Hindi kasi pantay din.
Ah. But,
Kasi you're not helping me na. Ayun na, pili mo. Pati
yan po.
lahat.
Yes po.
Hmm.
Yan po, oh. Mga ibang happy. Because I'll choose that for me. For her, for me, for her, for me. Para sa, yung may dog na po tayo gagamitin ko sa small dog. Ito po subang small.
Dog.
Small dog. Subang small dog. Baby diaper. May bakta.
Here na di ah. Amazing.
I'll try. Can I
Can you
try?
put some design?
Hello. Teacher, look at this.
Ah.
And
Where's
I'll
the
close
blue?
it.
Here. Put some design. Where's the
I'll-
smiley?
I put this you first.
Oh, wait lang. I will get the adhesive.
Done.
Paper? Agad?
Yes. Yan yung lagay, Mommy.
Yes, para mabilis. Kasi kapag blue, tatanggal pa siya. Hindi na ka. Wait.
Isa pa po. Dapat madami po.
Return. Anong color yung next?
Isa po.
Okay, lang. Ano ba yun?
Sino? So hard.
So hard to move. Here. Tignan mo yung smile, dapat nasa baba. Oh, baliktad.
Okay.
This one pa. Yeah, very good.
What's
Your
next?
picture is so cute. There na. Wait lang po. No.
Wait, I will try. I-try ko lang.
Wait lang.
So,
Yeah.
look at that.
Sister. Anong color dito sa kabila? Dapat same lang. Anong color dun? Blue and blue ulit.
Let's see.
Dapat same. Para uniform.
Wait lang po. Wait, tutut ko lang po. Ito. Yung mga gagamitin.
Ito tayong lalagay dito pa sa kabila. Here pa.
Ay naman, dito.
Asan ang blue?
Ano ba Q? Ano po?
Blue. Blue. The blue one.
W?
Dito dapat blue and ano ka na pala? Wait. So hard.
So hard. are together.
Pinakasin ko pa si Mami.
I about it. Tapos, si Daddy meron.
Oh, blue.
View, I need view.
Ano yan? Okay.
Hindi ko mandi.
Oh, tayo. Bakit ko hindi nakatayo? Yan. The center. Okay, next is this one.
Purple.
Yan. Good.
Teacher, look at that. I need, the same lang dapat. Hindi.
Sino? Dito naman.
So, Mommy, green and yellow.
Sino? Dito.
Buhay pa si Daddy.
Dito. Okay. Wait lang.
Dapat madami.
Anong colors? This one. Ito mo. Yellow, gold, green, orange ba to?
No.
Orange.
Orange
Ano pa?
saka green.
May green na, di ba?
Ay,
This
this
one na. Yan. Sige. Ito
And-
lang.
blue.
Yan. Isang haba ko na to.
And one more na. Nagawa mo na yatin, Mami, yan.
One. Hawakan mo ba? Oh, habang nagtutupin ako yan. Yan. Diyan lang. Yan.
House.
Yan. Ito. Ow!
1, 2.
Two.
Ako na po. 2, 3, 4,
Oh, sorry.
5,
Five. Okay, and let's remove the...
1.
Anong color mo na dito?
The our first view.
Nakatayo dapat. Yan. Nakatayo. Ano? Ano siya? Nakagago. Sad na siya.
Ganito? Like this?
Okay, next time, do it properly. Sinahid naman kasi. Nakatayo eh. Nakakita na siya. Sinahid naman kasi. What's next? Are you sure? Nakatayo to? O yan, okay.
Like this.
Do it properly. Ano maganda?
Like this. Straight. No, so far.
What's next?
This one. Next. This one. Hirap kasi po. Oh my God.
It's so hard. That's why you do it properly. What's color? Red na yung next.
You mean
Red na. You have green na here. Then,
you mean orange? It's orange.
so hard. Yun na. Yan.
We're happy.
Yun pa. Hawak mo dito. Hawak mo. Hold it. Yeah. Kasi
I need colors. Dapat the same lang.
yes. Do it in order. One. first one is blue one. The blue
I
color.
know. I need blue. Blue.
Blue, blue.
Ako na po. Blue.
Blue.
Blue na po.
It's not blue. Blue.
Blue.
So hard again.
Blue. 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 And green. Mommy. Blue and green.
Blue. Sige na. Sige na.
And green. And what's that?
Sige na. Oh, dikit mo na. Blue.
Blue muna bago pili.
Almost done. Green. Where's the green one? Here.
Ito po may green na po.
Next is the gold. Then.
This is the our sure. Yes. Oh my god, it's so hard.
I think ano kasi
Something.
here. Gold.
Go.
Wala.
So, keep talking.
Next is the next.
I think
Oh, almost done.
copy.
The last one is the
5.
hard one.
Number 5. 5.
Mali na ako.
Hurry up po.
Mhm.
Tara,
Then where is the
teacher.
butterfly? Here, is it here? Saan talaga butterfly?
Dito sa
Here,
center.
here.
Teacher, look at my butterfly. And you got this.
And here.
That's my fun. Yes. I will hold it for you.
Wait lang po.
You get my fun. It's so big. Paper ang pa ito kay Korea. Rainbow color pa yung mami nagawa mo.
Nagawa natin po.
Nagawa po natin rainbow color.
Do you like that way, di ba?
Ay, ko pang boys.
Here na. Where is the purple? Yun ang purple din. Halika na dito ng purple.
Ice?
This one, sige po.
Yan po.
Bali 4. Ikaw, wait na.
One.
2.
I need 3. Wait. 3, 4. Last one. Teacher. Basta po kami teacher. Almost done.
Almost done. What is it? Then,
Let's put it in.
here na po. The center.
Yes po. Kasi may small butterfly tayo lagay dito, mami. Mga small butterfly. Tsaka, mamigat sobrang big. So, sa mami, like that. Ganito. Ito pa, mami, gusto ko to. Thank you.
Where is the palette? Here.
Ba't ka mami namamadali?
kasi lalagyan ko pa dito ng butterfly.
Try ko muna. Teacher, look at my top. Beautiful. Baka magagandaan si teacher.
Yes, because we...
Make it wow.
Here.
Ano saan yung eyes?
Wow, so big.
Saan yung eyes,
So
mommy?
big. What's the eyes?
Dito po.
It's okay na. Kahit wala na yan. Lagyan natin ng counting cord. Here,
She's at
here.
ears. Ano ba tingin mo po? Hello. So cute.
Cute picture na natin. Come here for this one. Picture. This is what we
Make.
made. Okay.